Alright, man, what's going on with y'all boys, man? As y'all can see, I'm in the scat right now. Bring y'all on a little vlog right now. I'm finna go out to eat and just be vlogging, man, for real. I just want to switch the channel up, you know, have y'all looking at some different stuff. I want to bring y'all, like, POVs, like, every day. Like, I've been looking at that, like, looking at my channel. I was just going through my channel. I'm like, man, I've been flooding y'all with POVs. I got to switch it up a little bit, so I've been really trying to, you know, get out there, you know, get into the car meets and all that again, because I don't really know where they yet again, so I've been, like, asking different people. But a lot of people be gatekeeping, man. But yeah, anyway though, we in a scat right now. We finna go ahead and go to eat. And yeah, man, I had cleaned her up a little bit. Y'all saw in the last video. Big scat, man. I need to do some modding to it, man. You know, I've been chilling for real. You know, I got my Uggs on, favorite pair of shoes. Y'all don't know, these motherfuckers are good content coming. See, y'all boys just, you know, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button and hit that bell, man. More videos coming, man. Let's do it.
It's us. Clearly obvious, you be used to lanes. You never been this high, these drugs is private planes. All these niggas defraud, they can't come near this lane. C-O-N-C-R-E-T, that's my game. Millions spent on change versus diamond rings. You can get this all if you keep it real. I'm gonna tell you things you can never spill. Head up on your shoulders like you drive a.m. This year alone, I pay 15 bills.
Gas station right now, man. Filling up scat, man. Oh, I shit keep stopping for some reason. 30K gas, like 307 right here. So shit, get your gas, man. Fill her up too. She up here dressed up all good. She dressed up all good
for my man.
You better be.
Oh no!
Get on!
Y'all come watch my TikTok.
What's the TikTok vid?
Jakaya.b.
Okay, she said Jakaya.b. Y'all go follow her. I'll be on no creep ass shit. I will beat y'all in your ass. I was just playing. But hey man, look at this scat, man. Shit, hard. I ain't gonna lie. But hey man, I'm finna get a little thrown there right quick. Got old head up in there, and she ain't really nothing too much going on. I'm really trying to get her on the vlogging too, man. Oh, you doing TikTok vlog?
Yeah.
Okay. I want to come out. So, okay.
My head look too big. This hair style making my head look big.
Yeah, not big. Big forehead ass. I was just like. Hey man, in the comment section, should we start like a little joint vlogging channel though? Cause we started that. That should be hard. It'll be hard. We're gonna be the best ones on YouTube for real. But let me know if y'all gonna subscribe to that, cause we will start one up. What's going on with y'all boys, man? If you got any type of sports car buses that you want me to review, man, swipe up so I can review it. We can do like a collaboration on YouTube, anything y'all want to do, TikTok and all that. So let me know, swipe up, and we can get it started, man. We in Walmart, man. These little niggas is tripping. That nigga on a bike and everything. That's Atlanta for y'all nigga, boy. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, let's go.
Them little niggas got kicked out, boy. Bro, they got a P5 in here. I'm finna try to see if she gonna get it for me. Hold on. Let's see. See if she gonna get the PS5. She finna get it though. Let's see. Yo. You gonna get it? You
go buy it for me. You go buy it for me. You go buy it for me.
I told y'all, but she ain't finna get it.
Let me think.
Man, she gonna do me dirty, dog.
You be home. You be on the road. Okay, if you...
They got the P5. They got two of them here too.
If you get how many likes or comment, and I buy it.
Alright. You gotta say it.
No, you have to say it.
Alright, y'all give me one like. She gonna buy it.
No, it gotta be more than that. It gotta be like 2. Look at that. That's so cute.
That is hard.
It has to be like a really like competitive number.
That nigga stink. They got the Xbox too.
See, I ain't even telling him. He don't want to pray, y'all.
What is this? Oh, this one I got. Oh, they got it whistling to it too. I don't really want no P5 for real. Hey, that bitch show 8K. Damn.
I'll buy it when you're not on the road.
Alright, look. This is what I really want. A MacBook Pro.
Me too.
MacBook Pro. That's all I want. Watch it come to me like, there's some filming in here.
I want a McDonald's.
Alright, man, so we just got some tests at the Roadhouse, man. I'm trying to look through the menu. Menu looking good as hell. I ain't gonna even lie, boy. I don't even know what to get right now. But we got her right here. She's so ready to eat. But nah, man. Hey, we had to wait like a whole hour, bro. That shit crazy. Alright, so she dipped the bread in the ranch. She thought it was butter. But now she gotta try it. You gotta do it for the vlog. You got to. don't throw up too. Try it.
I just know you're gonna be nasty. Wait.
It's all over your mouth.
It doesn't taste like ranch.
The ranch, is it? Anyway, man, mine just came out. I'm gonna go crazy. We got some boneless wings, appetizer. We're waiting for the food though. When the food come out, I'm gonna let y'all boys see. Alright, so food came out, man. Yeah, looking alright. Shit. I'm gonna tell that shit up. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, okay, goddamn.